What if I told you there's one final step that professional cleaners do after cleaning bathrooms that creates that impossible sparkle you can never achieve at home, and they deliberately don't tell clients about it because it makes the difference between clean and professionally cleaned? What if this one 30-second trick transforms your bathroom from looking freshly cleaned to looking like a luxury hotel? I discovered this secret by accident, and when I added it to my routine, the sparkle difference was so dramatic that people thought I'd hired professionals. Stay with me, because this finishing trick changes everything. Before I reveal this professional finishing trick that creates instant bathroom sparkle, if your bathroom is clean but never quite has that luxury hotel gleam, hit that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because this will transform your bathroom. Let's get into it. The secret, the final dry and buff. Here's what professionals do that home cleaners skip. After everything is cleaned, after surfaces are wiped and dried, they do one final pass with a completely dry microfiber cloth, buffing every shiny surface in rapid circular motions. Everything that should gleam gets this final dry buff. This removes any trace moisture, any microstreaks from cleaning, and creates a polished shine that looks almost unreal. The housekeeper demonstrated on the bathroom mirror. It was already clean from wiping, but she took a dry microfiber cloth and buffed it vigorously for 15 seconds. The mirror went from clean to sparkling. Light reflected off it differently. It looked like glass instead of just clear. Then she did the same to the chrome faucet. The faucet went from shiny to gleaming. The difference was subtle but unmistakable. Why this works so powerfully? When you clean surfaces, even when you wipe them down and dry them, micro droplets of water and trace cleaning solution remain. These create subtle streaks and dullness that your eyes perceive as not quite perfect. The final dry buff with microfiber removes every trace of moisture and residue. Microfiber's structure, millions of tiny fibers, polishes surfaces at a microscopic level while absorbing any remaining moisture. The result is surfaces that reflect light perfectly instead of diffusing it. That's the sparkle difference. My personal test. I tested this technique the day I learned it. I cleaned my bathroom normally, achieving my usual clean but not spectacular result. Then I did the final dry buff on all shiny surfaces. The transformation was instant and obvious. Why professionals keep this secret? Professional cleaners don't advertise this technique because the sparkle is part of what justifies their fees. If clients knew that the difference between DIY cleaning and professional cleaning was just a 30-second dry buff, they might stop hiring services. The mystique of professional results is valuable. Sharing the exact technique reduces that mystique. But now you know. The complete routine. My bathroom routine now. Clean as normal with appropriate products. Wipe and dry all surfaces. Final step. Grab clean, dry microfiber cloth. Buff all shiny surfaces for 30 to 45 seconds total. Result. Professional-grade sparkle every single time. This final step has become automatic. I can't skip it now because I know the difference it makes. The microfiber requirement. This trick only works with microfiber. Regular cloths or paper towels don't create the same effect. They can actually make things worse by leaving lint or creating new streaks. Microfiber's unique structure is what creates the polished sparkle. Keep 2 to 3 dedicated dry microfiber cloths specifically for this final buffing step. Don't use them for anything else. Keep them perfectly clean and dry. There you have it. The secret bathroom sparkle trick professionals use but don't share. Final dry buff of all shiny surfaces with microfiber cloth for 30 seconds after regular cleaning. If this just revealed the missing piece you've been searching for, smash that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more professional secrets revealed. Share with anyone who wants a sparkling bathroom. Comment if you're adding this to your routine. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, clean thoroughly, buff finely, and enjoy that luxury hotel sparkle in your own bathroom.